Hello, I'm Aneri and I'm going to be making oats and banana pancakes. As the name suggests, there are two main ingredients in these pancakes, bananas and oats. Bananas are fruits that are rich in nutrients like potassium and magnesium. They're full of antioxidants and are very good for digestion. Furthermore, bananas are also known to improve the functioning of the heart and the kidney. Oats are also incredibly nutritious and are full of carbohydrates and fibers. Oats can help control the blood cholesterol levels and, like bananas, can help reduce the risk of heart diseases. They are also rich in antioxidants, and the consumption of oats can aid in weight loss. To start off, here is a list of ingredients that are required for the pancakes. 1 banana, 3/4 cup milk, half cup oats, 2 to 3 dates, a pinch of baking soda, honey to drizzle, and walnuts. In a large bowl or measuring cup, put in the oats, dates, and banana. After this, slowly pour in the milk. Using a hand mixer, blend all the ingredients together. Add a pinch of baking soda and continue to blend until smooth. After you have finished using the mixer, ensure to turn off the switch before unplugging it. The final mixture should be of about this consistency. Once the batter is ready, it is time to make the pancakes. This step requires the usage of a stove, and therefore make sure that a parent or adult is with you while you do this. Before you begin, ensure that the gas cylinder knob is turned downwards. Now turn on the stove and place a pan over it. If you want to, you can take a little bit of butter and rub it over the pan as well. Take a ladle full of batter and carefully pour it on the pan. Wait for the pancake to cook until the bottom is golden brown and then gently flip it over on the pan. It is important to note that this pancake batter is a little sticky. Therefore, ensure that the pancake does not break or lose its shape during this process. After the pancake is cooked on both sides, slowly take it out of the pan and place it on a plate. Repeat this process to make more pancakes. After you've finished using the stove, ensure that you turn off the gas knob. Now that the pancakes are made, all that is left are the toppings. Slowly drizzle honey on top of the pancakes to add a sweeter flavor. You can also sprinkle chopped walnuts on top of the pancakes. Now your pancakes are ready. Serve them hot and enjoy.